For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website.
Hi, here is a short introduction to arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and harmonic progression series. We call it AP, GP, and HP series. AP and GP are more common. You'll find a lot of application of AP and GP series. HP, not that many. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this introduction, just talk the major thing that you need to remember. So in arithmetic progression, if you take any two consecutive terms, the difference stays the same. So there are two parameters in arithmetic progression series. First term denoted as small a, and the common difference is d. Any two consecutive terms will have the same common difference. So t2 minus t1, t3 minus t2. So nth term, t sub n, is a plus n minus 1 into d. The series is a, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d. So that's how the series goes. S sub n is sum of n terms. And best way to remember is number of terms divided by 2 multiplied by the first term plus the nth term. Or average of first and nth term multiplied by the number of terms. And that comes to n over 2 within the bracket 2 times first term plus n minus 1 into d. So these three things you need to remember to define an arithmetic progression. You need two separate information so that you can estimate the value of a and d. Some example will bring it out. And then once you know that, you can get any term and then you can sum any number of terms. Okay, so that's the basic concepts of arithmetic progression. Let's look at geometric progression, GP series. It also has two pieces of information that completely defines the geometric series. One is the first term and other one is the common ratio. The property here is if you take any two successive terms, ratio stays the same. So second term over first term, that ratio is the same as third over second, fourth over third term. So if the first term is a and the common ratio is r, then the series can be written as first term is a, second term is a times r, third term is a r squared, nth term is a times r raised to the power n minus 1. So t sub n, nth term is a times r raised to the power n minus 1. Now in our notation, S sub n is sum of n terms, so which is a plus ar squared up to ar n minus 1. This is an easy way to remember the sum. If you multiply this, the first line with r and write it by shifting one term to the right, you get that's how the second line looks like. Then if you subtract the second line from the first, you get Sn times 1 minus r is a minus a times r raised to the power n. So easy way to remember the summation of n terms is first term multiplied by 1 minus common ratio raised to the power n divided by 1 minus r. So that's the summation of n terms of a geometric series. Again, if you know the first term and the common ratio, the series is defined, then you can find the nth term and then you can find the summation of n terms. Okay, that's all you need to know to manipulate geometric progression series problems. Okay. Look at the next one, the one that's very not commonly used. Let me put it this way. So if A, B, C, these three terms in harmonic progression, they are in a part of the HP series, then the only property that you need to remember is reciprocal of them, each term, are in an arithmetic progression. So if A, B, and C are in HP, then 1 over A, 1 over B, and 1 over C are in AP. And everything stems from this relationship. You just manipulate an arithmetic progression and then try to find out corresponding information for the harmonic progression series. So in this case, 1 over b minus 1 over a equals 1 over c minus 1 over b. I say d. It's a common difference in the arithmetic progression. So then the first term of the arithmetic series is 1 over a. Second term is 1 plus 1 over a plus 2d. Nth term is 1 over a plus n minus 1d. And reciprocal of each term gives you the corresponding terms in a harmonic progression. There's no easy way to write the nth term of a harmonic progression. Okay, so only thing you need to remember is if A, B, C are in harmonic progression, the reciprocal of each term, they are in arithmetic progression. That's the only relationship that you need to remember. Okay, there are some there are problems given. What's the arithmetic mean which is the average, geometric mean, there's a meaning for that, and also harmonic mean, AM, GM, and HM. There are problems worked out later on, but this three slides is the very starting intro, the intro to AP, GP, and HP series. Start working with them. Okay, I'll get back with more material. Okay, bye. Hi, we are posting materials online. If you have any doubts or any questions regarding the materials posted, feel free to get in touch with us through email. Provide your name, address, school name, your contact information. We also welcome if you provide comments so that things can be improved upon. We also appreciate if you provide any feedback. Okay, so let us know what do you think about the material posted. Okay, bye now.
For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website. For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website. For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website.